So could extraterrestrial space aliens have saved our Earth more than 100 years ago? And I'm translating from a Greek article for you. Humanity owes the fact that it still exists to aliens? Question mark? And the fact to their self-sacrifice? Someone explains it this way. 100 years ago, the Earth was threatened by a meteorite, which with mathematical precision would collide with our planet. For this reason, therefore, a UFO decided to take matters into its own hands and, moving towards the celestial body, fell on it and destroyed it, finally saving our Earth. According to The Sun, Dr. Yuri Lamvin, president of the Tunguska Space Phenomenon Foundation, we insist that on June 30th, 1908, a UFO was sacrificed, ! For the sake of our planet by falling on the meteorite that was about to fall in Siberia. In fact, the result of the vehicle-meteorite collision was a huge explosion of 15 megatons of power that burned 80 million trees in the area of 160 square kilometers in Tunguska, Siberia of Russia. Miraculously, however, no one was killed as the area is very sparsely populated. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. To this day, scientists talking about the Tunguska incident believe that the great catastrophe was due to the eruption of a meteorite several miles above the Earth's surface. Nevertheless, the Russian scientist Dr. Lamvin opposes arguments based on the findings. The quartz plates found in the area and the quartz crystals found in the area with the strange designs on them are one of them, according to him. He says, "We do not have the means to impress such designs on crystals," end quote. Incidentally, further west in Britain's Merseyside, a few days ago, or weeks ago, dozens of locals claimed to have seen 4 mysterious orange spheres flashing in the sky. Are you saying that no meteorite was flying over the heads of the British and the UFO hurried to save them? Now, what was the Tunguska event? It was a massive 12 MT explosion that occurred in the Tunguska River Yenisei governor in Krasnoyarsk, Russia, in the morning of June 30th, 1908. The explosion over the sparsely populated eastern Siberia taiga flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 830 square miles of forest, and eyewitnesses reported suggesting that at least 3 people may have lost their lives to this. The explosion is generally attributed to the airburst of a stony meteorite about 160 to 200 feet. That's about 60 meters across in size. It was an asteroid or comet, they say, a small comet. The meteoroid approached from east-southeast and therefore likely with a relatively high speed of about 27 kilometers per second. It is classified as an impact event, even though no impact crater has been found. The object is thought to have disintegrated at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers or 3 to 6 miles above the surface of the Earth, rather than to have hit the surface of the Earth. Since the 1908 event, there have been an estimated 1,000 scholarly papers, mostly in Russian, published about the Tunguska explosion, and owing to the remoteness of the area, the limited instrumentation available at the time of the event, modern scientific interpretations of its cause and magnitude have really relied chiefly on damage assessments and geological studies conducted many years after the event. Estimates of its energy have ranged from 3 to 30 megatons of TNT. An explosion of this magnitude would be capable of destroying a large metropolitan city today. The Tunguska event is the largest impact event on Earth in recorded history, though much larger impacts have occurred in prehistoric times. It's been mentioned numerous times in popular culture, has also inspired real-world discussion of asteroid impact avoidance. This was from Wikipedia and also from a Greek article I translated for you. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.